Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie's, and on today's video we are going to be doing a Temu haul. So Temu sent me a few of their items. A few of the things that I wanted was out of stock, but most of the things were still in stock. Like a dress, some dresses, we're gonna get into it, but it's gonna be a quick haul. I do have the things linked, and they did give me a coupon code that I'm gonna put in the description box, so let me know. They got a lot of stuff on this site, but you know, I'm gonna start with the clothes first and then we'll put the other stuff last. The first dress that they sent me was like this maxi dress. It's a black maxi dress. Excuse this little stuff up here because that's just me pulling my bra down, but it's just really cute. It has a good little, it's like stable, it's not flimsy, but y'all can see this is what it's giving. It's so cute and comfortable and perfect for the summer. Y'all can see it, it comes really long, it comes all the way down. Okay. So yeah, and it's really good material. I've washed it. I've wore this already, and I've washed it a few times. Y'all can see the stretch, and I got it in the XL. But this is the stretch that it gives you. Let me step over. Okay, so guys, that's the next piece here. It's a black jumpsuit. Same thing, spaghetti strap. And this one, I think I got a large or extra large. Come back so y'all can see how it fits. And so this is perfect because you can always throw a jacket over it, a cardigan on it. Hold on just a moment, Zion. Zion is coming upstairs, so just telling him to hold on for a second so I can finish showing y'all. But yeah, you could wear this with a jacket, a cardigan. You could put something over it. You could do sneakers and heels. So I like this one. So y'all, the next thing that they sent me is these like Dior inspired glasses. I always need some cute black sunnies. Hold on, let me fix this right here. So these are the glasses. Really cute. Love these. Perfect for the summer. And then they sent me this Goyard inspired tote bag. I got a bunch of stuff in it because I'm just trying to show y'all so y'all can get the full effect. But it's so cute. I love it. It's like a tote. Kind of put you in the mind of the never full. Got a lot of stuff. Got a lot of room in there. I need to get a theme for this, like so you can put stuff in it. An organizer. So I got this. I don't know if the real Goyard bag come with this on it, but this is what they give you. And then it came with this little pouch. Too cute. Come with this little pouch. You got a little opening right here, which is perfect. You can have it. You can use it for a little wallet if you want. So I got that. And then, oh, I'm out of breath, y'all. And then they sent me this little Goyard inspired cosmetic bag, and I've definitely been using it for my makeup brushes. So I don't even know if like, I see people with this green Goyard, but I don't know if like, I don't know. But I know it's gonna be a makeup bag for me anyways. And even this bag is most likely gonna be like a beach travel bag, something to run errands. And this is what I have inside of it. You can put a lot of stuff in it. So I got my lashes. I got makeup brushes in here at the bottom. So yeah, that's what you can fit in. It's a lot of stuff in here.